Hey guys, Jennifer here, and I've got to show you this new toilet cleaning system. I am loving it, and I think it is worth every single penny, so you've got to try it. Especially if you're gonna have guests over for the holidays or entertaining, it's a quick, easy way to keep your porcelain throne clean. Now, as we talk about the toilet, what do you hate the most about cleaning it? Well, for me, it's the fact that I have to dig the cleaner out from under the cabinet. I've got this brush sitting there, and usually it gets disgusting, right? Like this gets all yellow at the bottom, the cup gets nastiness inside of it, and you just know it is harboring all kinds of germs and bacteria, and it smells. And so what Norwex has done is they've solved all these problems with this cleaning system. So the way it works is it has this really great cup. I love it because if it does get dirty, it's really easy to clean out. And then here, you will put your toilet cleaner in here. And so all you do is mash this button and it releases the cleaner, and it tells you right here whether or not you're getting low, so that way you know if you need to refill it. Now, these brush bristles are very special because they have Norwex's patented backlock, and that helps keep mold, mildew, bacteria, odor away from the brush. So it's not gonna yellow, it's gonna stay clean and nice and fresh longer. So when I use this, I'm just gonna come over here and I'm going to hit the button here to dispense the cleaner. See all that came out? That's all you need. And then you are just going to scrub your toilet. Now, I love too, like how this is heavy. It's got some weight in it. These bristles are really scrubbing. Like you can feel the scrub. It just feels really nice and steady in your hand, and like a quality product that Norwex always comes out with. So after you're done cleaning, normally I let the cleaner sit in there a little bit longer because our bathroom cleaner has enzymes, and the enzymes are little organisms that go to work and they eat away all the grime and bacteria and disgusting stuff. And then when you flush it down the toilet, it has zero effect on our environment. So I'm going to put our brush down here. And now after I clean the inside, I just grab a good old-fashioned EnviroCloth and I wipe down the outside of the toilet. Now, if you are not wiping your toilet with an EnviroCloth, you're really missing out, because some people are like, ooh, this is gross, but actually it is way cleaner and more effective than using a disinfectant wipe or any other chemical cleaner, because it's literally picking up 99% of the bacteria off the surface, leaving nothing behind. Before, I would use disinfectant wipes, and I noticed it always had this film on it that was disgusting. So make sure that you get an EnviroCloth as well. So right now, an introductory price, the toilet cleaning system, which is normally $49.99, is on sale for $42.49. So it's 15% off. And remember, everything with Norwex has at least a 2-year warranty. I think this baby is going to last me for about 5 to 10 years. And if you need some bathroom cleaner, which is great for the whole bathroom, sinks, tubs, everything, this is also on sale for $5 off. So click the button, send me an email, let me know what you want in your order, and I'll apply these discounts. I really hope you try this new system. It's really, really great.